Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are not sure whether your Adobe Acrobat license is active, valid or linked to the correct Adobe account, don't worry. Adobe Acrobat allows you to quickly check your license status, subscription details and activation information directly from the app and your Adobe account. So the good news is that you can verify your license in less than a minute. So first thing you can do is check your license inside Acrobat. So click your profile or account icon in the top right corner. Okay, here it should be here. View account information, look for active subscription, licensed product, plan name, account email. So this is the fastest way to check your license status. You can also open account details like inside Acrobat. Click your profile icon, select manage account or accounts and review license information. So you may see Acrobat Standard, Acrobat Pro, Acrobat Reader, subscription expiration details. So the displayed plan indicates what you are licensed to use. You can also check premium features, like a simple way to verify licensing. Try a premium Acrobat feature like edit PDF, export PDF, organize PDFs or pages, combine files, protect PDFs. So if the feature works normally, your license is likely active. If Acrobat requests payment or a trial, your license may be inactive. You may be signed into the wrong account, and premium features require a valid license at the end. Okay, you can also check your Adobe account online, like visit your Adobe account, sign in using your Adobe account, open plans and payments, and select plans and review active subscription, billing status, Acrobat product, and renewal information. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.